When you want something to be less bulky, you just peel it off. Look, you see? This is the journal I've been working since June 2023. Today I'm just want to complete all the pages and add little details on each one of them, but also I want to get rid of a lot of things I have around here. Everything you see in here, for example this, I'm gonna link it down below, and here also is about how to use quotes in a different way and also reverse stamping, and I guess you're gonna love it. And so I'm gonna look for empty spots or for areas in which I'm gonna do some modifications and additions. So for example, I'm not in love too much with this leaf here. I'm gonna try just to give it a little bit of more vintage effect. This is Distress Ink vintage photo, and I'm gonna use it just on the inside of the leaf. And also I have a bunch of quotes around here that I may be using in this opportunity. Flowers always make people better, happier, and more helpful. They are sunshine, food, and medicine to the soul. This page is not too much about flowers, but we can put it here and use it later. Sometimes memories sneak off of my eyes and roll down my cheeks. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. This will be a nice one. But where can I place it? I don't have too much space. Let me see this tiny one. No matter what happens, I have no expectations, only control over how I want to feel. This is Shiloh or Shiloh. This is good because as you can see here, I have Mary with the little lamb. Little lamb is in the back there. She is crying, so this is gonna just be related with what is happening in here. Yeah, I think it's good. It's 9 p.m., almost 9:30, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm tired. Today I worked a lot, but I wanted to have this brief moment with myself, and then I said, well, okay, I'm gonna turn on the camera and I'm gonna share this with my subscribers and everybody that comes to my channel. If this is your first time here, just remember that I post every week a new video. Sometimes I post 2 videos, so just make sure that you subscribe. You can click here in this little red arrow there, and then you'll be subscribed to my channel. So thank you so much. So yes, so I have this one here. This is okay, and this is too white, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the brown that I like too much. You see, the change is immediate. You can see it very, very fast. When I saw you, I fell in love, and you smiled because you knew. This is cool. I'm gonna have it there. Here, there's not much to do. I already placed a butterfly. I add this lizard basilisk. So I loved it when I see it on a magazine, and it looks so cute with all those scales. You can see it has a lot of details, but I want to make it a little bit brownish, tiny bit, so I can make it the back a little bit more into old color. And I want to show you something I found that I think is really beautiful, and it is a, you'll see, it's a recipe. Look, this is really vintage oriental salad. Look at that. Actually, my daughter gave this to me. She found it inside a book, and I guess it is amazing. So I'm gonna have it there. And here on the back, I was thinking to use these templates I made when I punched some butterflies, so I'm gonna have some of them here. This is a good paper. It's handmade paper, and as you can see, it absorbs ink very, very well. Look at that. It's really simple. I just make this with a punch. And then I have this fabric butterfly. I guess I'm gonna have it there so it can be all related with butterflies and nature. I love it. So let me just put it somewhere there in the center, like so. Wow, it's beautiful. I love it. Look how nice. Really, really cool. I remember my daughter like dancing when she was a little girl. So I guess I'm done with this page. This page, I've been doing bits and bobs here and I still don't know if it looks good or not. I don't know if I need to add something else. I was thinking about adding this book, so many books, because of the brown color here. Yeah. I want this to go inside the little card stuff there. Alright, so I see that this part here is kind of empty. Empty. I got this lamp. It can perfectly go here. And then I have this chair, mustard. I think it's really beautiful. As I told you, I want to give this a finishing touch. I just want to make sure that I'm done today. And you know what? I have this curve and that will be awesome. It's the same shape of what I have in this little armchair here. Tell me, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be happy to read you and to know about what you're doing. I love these books. As you can see, they have, oh, well, these have orange, but this is more into the vibe of this page. So I'm just gonna cut it here. I'm gonna place them standing. All right, just a tiny bit of brown around here too, and that is making a huge difference. Awesome, I like it. It's giving me the sense of freedom, art, love. I guess it has everything. Practice. Just to go in the tip of your toes is not easy. So it requires a lot of practice. Flowers always make people better and happier. I will put it here. What about if we do tiny modification here so we can have it in this shape? So the purpose of this moment is a little bit of relaxation and also to get rid of a lot of things I have around here, and also to start finishing this journal because I really want to start a new journal for next year. This is a good moment to finish it, to start a new year with new ideas, new vibes. This is actual vintage. It's actual handwriting from a person in Italy. Let's keep going. This is already done. I don't think I need to do too much in here. This is all about ships and ocean, and Sicily is an island, so it's okay. All this I completed during the weekend because I had it just like this, and then I found this yellow card and I like it very much. This page I guess is already finished. Oh, this comes from my technique about filing. So you filed an image and then you can cut it. I'm gonna link the episodes about this technique And as you can see here, you can obtain these amazing figures and textures only using that technique. So I'm going to link it there and also down below. Here, this is a page about Paris. I hope I can go someday. And here, well, this is about Sicily too. Wholeness. All right, what about this page? Let's see. This is also reverse stamping. Look how beautiful things you can create. And I'm gonna just complete this. I'm gonna place this on top of her head. It's like a fairy. And actually this wasn't her original face. I cut that and I place it on her. Okay, look, you see what I'm telling you? It has the perfect size. Look, it matches perfectly in there. I guess this video is gonna have a second part because I don't want to make it super long. I want you to stay till the end. So let me just finish these 2 pages and then I'm gonna go with part 2 and probably part 3. Why not? Because this is what I'm doing right now, like finishing the whole thing. And I know it's still October, but I want to work in my next journal on time. This is gonna be perfect for this part. So I'm just gonna cut it like that so we can have more white. And this page is made out of stencils and vintage photo, so I don't want to cover it too much because I love the results, the way it came out. Let's go back into here and let's see what comes out. 79, but it's blue. Should you warm up? Let's see what we have. Superlative, flowers, nature. It is the light in the lantern which shows you the path, not the lantern. I have the lantern. I'm gonna hang it from the beak of the bird. What? Amazing. All right. And then I'm gonna have the quote. Let me take more of the white out because I really want to see that stencil on the back. Tiny bit of brown. Awesome. When you want something to be less bulky, you just peel it off. Look, you see? So this now is really thin and I can have it on the other page. So it's going to be matching. I want to have it half and half. It's matching the black on the other page and this page. Look at that. This one just needs a little bit of brown around this page here. That is, you see the difference? It gives depth. And here, this is with the same technique. That's another stencil and you can see it here. I can show you here. That's reverse stamping. It's amazing. And I have a frame with flowers around here to give a touch of color to the page. And let me see, this, I really like it. I love it the way it is. And okay, this is ready. So I'm gonna go and do part 2 starting from here. I am super grateful because you're here, because you leave me a comment, because you give me thumbs up. So that makes me super happy. And I'm gonna be finishing these days so I can go ahead and build a new journal with you, starting from the signatures. So let's see what do creativity is gonna show me to start a new journal for next year. That new journal that I'm gonna create is gonna be our meeting point for work together during 2025. So thanks for watching, and I see you soon in my next episode. That's gonna be part 2 of the finishing of this amazing Celebrate journal. Don't forget that you can always click in here in my picture in the end, and then you'll be subscribed to my channel, or you can do it here in this little arrow, or you can leave me a comment down below, or you can leave me a thumbs up, whatever you want and whatever you like to do. I hope I inspire you with these ideas I place in this amazing journal that I love so much. I see you in my next episode. Bye guys.